Are you ready? Let's go. Talofa family, yeah, $10 meal for 2 seafood omelet. Here nga, sa full tala. Oil in, kung ko ngao. Seafood in, kung ko seafood. Marinade of seafood mix, you can get them from your local supermarket wherever you're at in the world. Ask for $5 worth. Soy sauce in, yeah, you can put in any soy sauce, oyster sauce, chili sauce, you know, whatever barbecue sauce, whatever sauce you want to put in. Kung sauce, eggs in, kung kako more, yeah, dua mai, 5 mesin dua kako eggs. Flip, and then soy kuah, kiwai mu, kiwai mu, and then we serve. You can put your favorite veg or whatever you want to put in there, any spices, but I just want to be simple. So let's go. A dinner for 2, you and your wife, you and your girlfriend, your boyfriend, your uncles and your auntie. Let's go. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this channel. Let's go.